To set up alarm clock on Realme GT7 Pro, first we need to open our clock app. You can do it either by clicking on the clock on your home screen or by searching for this specific app that I have in the Tools folder. When we're inside of this app, we can click on the alarms and then this plus button. Now we can customize the settings and behavior for your alarm. First thing is to pick the hour on which it should ring. Then we can change when it should ring. Ring once, on the work days, or custom. If you decide on custom, you can pick a different days that it will repeat. Then we can change the alarm name, change the ringtone, enable or disable vibrations, and change the snooze time. When we're ready, click on done and our alarm will be set. You can enable or disable it right here, or alternatively, we can also just remove it.